Street 51 in Phnom Penh. Another Phnom Penh street video by none other than Taya Sliman. So here we go. Galaxy Pub. So this here is like, this is fairly new. All these, well, this is not fairly new. The Golden Sonia Mall. It's been here for a long time, but all these bars here are fairly new, as you can see. So they don't really start. I don't think they start opening until about 7. So right now it's empty, as you can see. I was here last night, and it's not that busy here, anyways. It's a lot busier on Street 136 and 130. But it's okay to start your night off. You know, you come here, you got cheap beer, cheap booze. A lot cheaper than Street 136 for sure. See a lot of bars on the other side as well. Bars, a lot of restaurants, a lot of hotels around here as well to stay at. It's a place for here where you can eat some cheap food. Pub Streets, Golden Sonia Mall. I don't know what they call Pub Streets. They got a lot of pool tables in here, a lot of people play pool. Plan B bar right there. Heart of Darkness, famous nightclub in Phnom Penh. That's been here for a long time. One of the oldest discos nightclubs in Phnom Penh. But I think it kind of turned into like a gay nightclub nowadays. So. I think that's a freelancer walking around. G-Spots, Bar and Pub. She looked kind of rough. Newcastle Guest House 1. So this is all still the Golden Sonia Mall. Right here, so up and down here. So you got the famous Shanghai bar and restaurant right here in my corner here, as you can see. It's one of the oldest bars in Phnom Penh, and they got good food there as well. As you can see, they have a balcony up there, and they got on the second floor they have a pool tables. And you can hang out there as well. And right across, there's the Black Cat bar, a very old hostess bar in Phnom Penh as well, on Street 51. I was there last night. And cheap drinks there. I think beers there for like they're $1.50 for a beer, which is fairly cheap for a hostess bar. So let's go walk around there. It's busy right now. Now the time now is around 3:30, so getting a little busier now. We're going home from work. Anyways, here is the famous Pontoon nightclub. This is the best nightclub in Phnom Penh. where you want it. You want to get a lot of freelancers. Freelancers hang out here. Everybody hangs out here. And really it doesn't get going until about 2 in the morning. And it's open till 6 in the morning. So here's some more hostess bars. Do it all pub. The venue. Let's walk down over here. Dining, food and cocktails. Steakhouse. All sports bar. Wings, beer sports. Excuse me. I don't know what this is. Never been here before. Looks like it's fairly new. A lot of places around here. A lot of pubs and restaurants. I never actually went this far down, so beer bar and cocktail. This is Sonia Mall right here. Basically, it's just behind. It's behind Sonia Mall's Beer City. Massage, $5. Casual massage, $3. Good price. Looks like that's a hotel right there. I wonder what hotel that is. You know, Street 51 is, I think that's the oldest hostess street in Phnom Penh. That's like the original hostess street. Then you got Street 104, and then obviously you got Street 136, 130, 118. Some hostess bars on Street 110 as well. But I think, you know, Street 51 is the oldest. Let me know if I'm wrong. But I think it is. I usually don't hang out here at night, you know, once in a while. If I do hang out here at night, it'll be like, you know, I'll go to one hostess bar and then I'll go to Platoon nightclub, but that would be like after 2. But this recent trip, I haven't been to Platoon. I just don't feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm just getting old. The music they play there is kind of like hip hop and super loud. I don't know, I'm not really into the hip hop music so much, so that's why I don't go there as often as I used to when I was younger. So. Okay, let's walk this side now on my right. See if we can find any hotels. And I'll go around and I'll go over here on the other side as well. There it is. We are on Street 51. Let's see. Honey Bar. Right there. Great name. Korean food. Not really into that. What do we got over here? What's this here? CAMRA Streets 174. I don't know what that is. Let's go check it out. Anyways. Let's see what this is all about. Street 174. Some bars being built here. Already are open, but it's not open right now. DMX. Try to walk across here. Too much traffic, man. Too much traffic. Phnom Penh streets. Phnom Penh City. In Cambodia. Where are all the sexy ladies? I haven't seen any yet. On Street 51. Nighttime. Nighttime more so. Like all the time. They're all sleeping right now, that's the problem. They're all sleeping. Still. They're just getting up. Let's see what's over here. See a hotel. See what hotel it is. Looks like it's Chinese. The Chinese writing on there, so. Yeah, so. No English. I don't know what hotel this is. It's down over here. China Wind Hotel. Oh man, way over there. Yeah, I don't want to go further down there. Nothing really there. Walk on the other side. It's always a challenge to walk across the streets when there's traffic like this in Phnom Penh. When I get hit. I just want to walk across. shit. Okay, finally, I'm across Street 51, and I'm gonna take a right on Street 172, which is where the Shanghai bar is in the corner. Street 51, in the corner of Street 172. I know this Black Cat bar is open till like, it's basically 24 hours. That's what the lady told me yesterday, but it seems to me like there's no one there right now. Maybe there is, I'm sleeping. Some bars over here as well. One right here, on my left. It's another hotel. Looks like it's a spa. The Chinese, another Chinese place. This is here, River King Pub. Nothing too exciting on this street. How are you? Oh. Oh. Thank you for watching another street video by Potato Slamman, Street 51 in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Please subscribe to Potato Slamman, and thank you for watching this video, and enjoy your life. Cheers.